This video will show you how to remove the catback exhaust system on 2002 through 2008 5.7-liter Ram 1500s.
Now, obviously, before we install our new exhaust system, we have to remove our factory exhaust, right? That can be done in two primary steps. The first step is loosening a clamp here on the mid-pipe just above this cross member, securing the mid-pipe to the wipe pipe. In the case of our truck, it was a little bit too rusty, so we actually had to pull ours off with some channel locks. Now, obviously, if your clamp is in decent shape, you can loosen it. Judging by the size of this rusty little bolt here, it's probably a 13 to a 16 millimeter deep socket that you'll need. At any rate, once you get this clamp free and the mid pipe is free from the wipe pipe, you can go ahead and pull all those factory rubber isolators and exhaust hangers. There are 5 in total to be exact, 2 in front of the muffler, 2 directly behind the muffler, and 1 over the tailpipe itself. It's also very helpful to have some spray lubricant with you when you pull those. Once you got all 5 of those free, the entire exhaust will drop down. Go ahead and let the over axle pipe rest on the axle, then you can actually pull the entire exhaust system out from underneath the truck.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Ram, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.